Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix couldn't load high resolution images on Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to load or try to view a new image, you see an error that you couldn't load high resolution image. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go back from here. And here, very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you have to go to App Store here, go to search for Messenger, and you just have to make sure that your Messenger app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you just have to simply go back, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to try to make a force restart to your iPhone or to your Android phone to fix minor glitches into your software or into your mobile. So you not to do that. You just have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, and press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to simply unlock your phone. And here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If you still not fixed your issue, so there's only way. Just open your settings here, go for general, go for software update, and you just have to make sure that your system hasn't any pending software update. If you find a pending software update like that, you just have to try to update your software because pending software updates might have these type errors. And after that, you just have to simply go back, go for iPhone storage here, and here you just have to go for Facebook Messenger and you have to try to offload your app. Just have this offload option to offload your app. After offloading, you have to reinstall the app so it will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Messenger app. It will be fixed in this app, and after that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.